Oh, Chairman, ano iniisip mo?
Bro, nalulungkot lang ako. Sa lindol sa Cebu, sumunod ang Davao. Tapos sa Batangas, pumutok ang bulkan. Puro lang negatibo ang naranasan natin.
Oo nga eh, panay negative energy. Siguro kailangan na natin kausapin si Yoren saka si Miss Cecil para maumpisahan na yung negosyo mo. Para makatulong sa mga tao.
Sige, bukas na bukas, kausapin natin sila. Positive energy ang pasok natin para makatulong sa tao.
Tama, tama.
Hi, I'm Harold Tugano, founder and chairman of Nugato Alliance Company, OPC. Nugato Alliance started with one vision, to empower people through opportunity, unity, and shared success. Before this, I managed Golden Stars Packaging and Nugato Pharmaceutical, where I learned the value of innovation and hard work. But I wanted to go beyond business to create a company that helps others grow, earn, and succeed together. That's what Nugato Alliance is all about.
Nogato Alliance is a trusted manufacturer, supplier, and distributor of premium health, wellness, beauty, and household products, proudly made with quality and care. We champion sustainable livelihoods by empowering individuals to market and sell our exclusive product lines, enhancing well-being while unlocking income opportunities. Nogato Alliance is committed to delivering high-quality products while fostering an inclusive network marketing platform.
May nag-introduce sa akin na iinom ng Nugato Barley. Yung sugar ko bumaba, then hindi na ako nahihilo. Subukan nyo!
Simula nung tinake ko po ito, yung yung pagdumi ko, ang ganda yung maginhawa talaga. Simula nung tinry ko ang chocolate drink mix ni Nugato Alliance, nandun yung energy ko nandun yung hyper ko
Yung liver and kidneys ko is natulungan niya kasi dati mahina po talaga kidney ko dahil laging po mataas ang BP ko. Nagulat na ako kasi nawala yung pimples ko. Masarap na po ang tulog ko, 8 to 9 hours na po natutulog.
Simula nung ginamit ko po ito, wala na po akong sipon, wala na po akong ubo. Ang aking anak ay sumusuka po siya dahil sa sobrang acid. Ngayon, nung ito na po ay pinainom ko sa kanya, hindi na po siya naging acidic.
Dito ako lumakas. Dito ako nagmukhang bata. At pati pakiramdam ko, batang-bata.
Naging fit sa akin, naging okay sa aking skin. Kaya ngayon, naalis yung mga wrinkles ko, mga affirmatives ko sa mga mukha ko, kaya continuous ko nang ginagamit.
Bilang direktor, mahilig ako sa kape. At ang maipapayo ko sa inyo, ito ang inumin nyo, mas healthy Nugato Coffee Mix. Try nyo!
We aim to improve lives through education, empowerment, and entrepreneurship, helping our members create lasting values for themselves, their families, and communities.
A community that connects entrepreneurship, product, innovation, and empowerment. It's more than a business. It's a movement of dreamers and achievers lifting each other up. Because when one succeeds, we all succeed. Together, we rise.
Nugato Alliance #1 for health meets opportunity.
every connection, we'll watch progress grow. Empower the dreamers, share the love wide. Health is the anchor where dreams abide. With passion in our voices, we rise as one with God on our side. The battle is won. Know that choose the journey. Together we'll soar. In this alliance, we're destined for more. Know the two, where we ignite health and hope, shining so bright. Together we thrive through thick and thin. With God leading us, we always win. Know the two, take a stand. An alliance strong, united we band. Opportunities knocking, let's break down the walls. With health and faith, we answer the call. So let's lift our voices, raise them high. In this arena, dreams never die. With every heartbeat, we're building our way. In the Noga 2 family, we make a sway. Connecting the dots, changing the game. With God in our hearts, we'll never be the same. Take a leap of faith, let go of the fear. Noga 2's the future, the vision is clear. Noga 2, where we ignite health and hope, shining so bright. Together we thrive through thick and thin. With God leading us, we always win. Noga 2, take a stand. An alliance strong, united we band. Opportunities knocking, let's break down the walls. With health and faith, we answer the calls. Noga 2 Alliance, a beacon of light. Where health meets opportunity, we take flight. With God first in our hearts, let love be our way. In this vibrant journey, together we play. Noga 2, our voices unite. In faith and health, we shine ever bright.